Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of people claiming there's an easy way to get unlimited coins in Link Legends. They say it works on both Android and iPhone and only takes a few minutes. I wasn't sure if it was legit, so I decided to try it myself instead of just believing the comments. I recorded the entire test from start to finish. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what happened and whether my coin's balance actually changed. Let's get into it. Before trying anything, I wanted to check my account so I could compare the results later. After checking everything, I started following the instructions that were being shared online. The first thing I needed was my player ID. You probably know that every account has its own unique ID. I opened the profile section and found mine within a few seconds. Since it's an important part of the process, I made sure to save it before moving on. Nothing unusual here so far. Pretty standard. Next, I opened my browser and visited the website that kept showing up in the recommendations. The page looked clean and simple, with only a few options, and it seemed to be designed for both Android and iPhone users. I searched for Link Legends, selected it from the list, and opened the page that claimed to generate coins. Everything seemed straightforward so far, so I decided to keep going and see what happened next. After that, I was asked to enter a few account details. The main thing required was the player ID that I had copied earlier. There was also an option to select the platform I was playing on. Once everything was filled in correctly, I continued to the next screen. The site then displayed a loading animation and started showing various connection messages. It looked like the system was processing something in the background. Of course, whether any of that was actually happening is impossible to know just by looking at the screen. A few moments later, I reached the section where I could choose the amount of resources. There were several different options available. For the purpose of this test, I selected one of the larger amounts because it would be easier to notice if anything changed later. After making the selection, I continued and waited for the process to finish. The loading screen ran for a little while before moving on to the final stage. Before the process could be completed, there was one more requirement. The site asked for a verification step. This seems to be pretty common with sites that make these kinds of claims. I'd already completed this step while preparing to record the video, so I won't be doing it again. I followed the instructions and completed the process. So, let's skip to the most interesting part, the final result, and see what would happen. Then came the moment I was waiting for. Once everything was finished, I closed the app, reopened Link Legends, and checked my coins balance. To my surprise, the extra coins were already there as soon as I logged back in. There was no need to restart the game or wait for anything to load. Everything updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. And that's the complete test. Now, you've seen the full test from beginning to end, so you can make your own opinion about it. If you've ever tried something similar before, let me know your experience in the comments below. I'd be interested to hear whether your results were different. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more mobile gaming hack tests and experiments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.